Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you through how to change Amazon Prime account's password. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your password on your Amazon Prime account, open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.primevideo.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your Amazon Prime account, and once you're logged in, go to the top right hand corner and click on the human icon. Click on the account and settings tab from the expanded menu. You might need to enter your credentials for your Amazon Prime account in order to get to this account and settings page. Now from this page, click on Edit on Amazon right next to your details at the top. Enter your password in the text box for your Amazon Prime account and click the sign in button. You'll end up in the login and security page. Right where it says password, click the edit button. Now enter your current password in the first text box. On the next field, enter the new password you're trying to change to for your Amazon Prime account. Re-enter the password again on the last text box. Make sure both of your passwords in the text boxes matches. And now finally click on the Save Changes button at the bottom, and that way you'll be able to change your password on Amazon Prime. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.